Is your 1998 Toyota Camry's alarm system acting up? The most common culprits are often simple to address. We'll focus on the two main problem areas: door and hood switches and key fob issues. First, focus on the door and hood switches. These switches are located on the door frames and hood latch mechanism. They complete an electrical circuit when doors and hood are closed. Over time, these switches can corrode or become misaligned, causing false alarms. The switches are exposed to weather and can accumulate dirt and moisture. To fix switch problems, start with a visual inspection for damage, corrosion, or misalignment. Use electrical contact cleaner to remove any corrosion and test continuity with a multimeter if available. Next, check your key fob. A weak battery is the most frequent key fob issue. The key fob contains several components that can fail over time. Replace the battery, which is usually a CR132 coin cell. These batteries typically last 2 to 4 years and provide 3 volts of power with 235 milliamp hour capacity. Clean the battery terminals with alcohol to ensure good contact. Test the operational range. It should work from at least 30 feet away. If the range is still poor or the fob is unresponsive, reprogramming might be necessary. These simple maintenance steps resolve the majority of 1998 Camry alarm issues. Refer to your owner's manual or online resources for the specific reprogramming sequence for your vehicle. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your 1998 Camry alarm issues, it's time for system reset procedures and advanced diagnostics. The standard reset method involves disconnecting your vehicle's battery. This clears the alarm system's memory and allows for a fresh start. Follow these 4 steps carefully. First, disconnect the battery for at least 15 minutes to ensure complete power drain. Reconnect the battery only after ensuring all doors and the hood are properly closed. This prevents false triggers during the reset process. Insert your key and turn to the on position without starting the engine. This activates the electrical system for programming. Finally, press and hold both key fob buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. You should hear confirmation beeps if the reset is successful. If the standard reset fails, try the alternative method involving the alarm control module. The control module is typically located behind the dashboard, in the kick panel, or near the fuse box. You'll need to locate this small electronic unit. Disconnect the control module for 30 minutes, then reconnect and reprogram your key fob using the manufacturer's sequence. When both reset methods fail, it's time to consider professional diagnosis or system replacement. Several warning signs indicate when professional help is needed. If reset procedures fail repeatedly, or if you experience intermittent system failures, the control module may be failing. Consider the costs involved. Professional diagnosis ranges from $75 to $200, while complete system replacement may be more cost-effective for a 27-year-old vehicle. For 1998 Camry owners, balance repair costs against vehicle value. Sometimes a modern aftermarket system provides better reliability than repairing the original aging components.